Hello there, my friends. So today we're going to go into iMovie and I'm going to make a movie and show you how to do slow motion on the movie. So pick a new project, pick a movie, pick the footage you want, hit create movie. All right, so this is a squirrel that I caught leaping into a tree. So I want to slow down this part. So what I want to do is I want to capture the moment. So I'm going to do this here. This is kind of a motion moving frame, which is a nice way to start. So we'll start here. So I'm going to click the timeline. I'm going to hit split. I'm going to click on the first part and hit delete. I'm going to play that. And that footage is a little bit rough because I was trying to catch him. It goes up the tree. And that's a good place. And that's a good place to stop. So coming back down. So here I can either split and delete, or I can pull the timeline down to where I want it to be. It's right about there. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit duplicate, and it makes an exact copy of that section. Just doubles it. So now what I can do is I can highlight that section. I can go down here to the bottom. See the scissors? That's the cutting tool. See the clock? Yep, you guessed it. So this is pretty easy to figure out. The tortoise is slow and the rabbit is fast. So right now we're at 1x speed. I can pull it back a little bit to like maybe 2/3 speed, half speed. Let's try half speed and see what happens. That's half speed. That's pretty good. I like half speed. Half speed's great. But now that we have half speed, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it right here. I'm going to go back to the cutting tool. I'm going to split it. I'm going to delete the end of it. And then I'm going to duplicate this part, which you would think would like duplicate it at half speed. Oh, it does actually. Perfect. So now I'm going to slow this down even further. I'm going to go down to all the way down, which should be 1/8 speed. And we'll see what that's like. Actually, you know what? Let's go to 1/4 speed first. Just for the heck of it. Because that might be slow enough. So I think here we've already established it. So this is our establishing shot. So we're going to go here. We're going to go back to the cutting tool. We're going to split. We're going to click on that first part, that leader, and we're going to delete that. We're going to get ready for the jump, and the jump, and the jump, and the jump, and the jump. Nice. And then we're going to stop right there. We're going to split that. We're going to delete the end. We're going to hit the timeline again and hit duplicate. And now we're going to take this one down, hit the timer, go all the way down to 1/8 speed. And we're going to see what that's like. It's a little out of frame there. And get ready, and jump. And that's it. So I think at 1/8 speed, we're going to have a lot of footage left. Oh, it's not too bad. And then what I'm going to do here is, yeah. All right, we're going to hit that. All right, we're done. So that's 1 minute and 1 second, which is just about right. I want it to be about 1 minute, so that's good. All right, so now I go to settings, and I'm going to hit fade out to black, because I want that to fade out at the end. So let's test it and see if what it looks like. Yeah. It doesn't really fade out to black. It just kind of fades. But anyway, it's fine. It'll be fine. So here's the other thing, though. If there's sound on this video, then it's going to get distorted when you pull down the speed. So you don't want that. So we have to go back, and I should have done this at the beginning. Go back, go to sound, and turn the volume all the way down. Well, actually, on the first one, you can leave it up. And then on the second and third ones, you can pull it down. This one, pull it down. Because otherwise it's going to be like, you know, nobody wants to hear that. Sorry. So, so that's it. So here's the full thing. Let's go. All right. And let's play this all the way through. And that. Yep. And then we'll do it one more time. And a little squirrel. Beautiful, beautiful blue sky. What a great background. That's going to be a great shot. I might actually use that on a t-shirt. I might take a screenshot of that mid-air thing going on there. All right, so basically I showed you today how to use the slow-mo feature in iMovie on your iPhone. And if this was of any use to you at all, please smash the like button because that helps me. And if you want to see more, subscribe. I post almost every day. And I hope you have a great one. We'll see you guys on the next one. And fade to black.